Good morning, I am Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and today I wanted to show you some of the journaling supplies that I got from, let's see, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, and Family Dollar store. I can't remember. Maybe not Family Dollar. Maybe these are all Dollar General and Dollar Tree. I don't remember, but one of those. But anyway, this was what I saw on the cover. This came in this bag, just like this, so I couldn't really tell what was in it, but when I opened it up, I thought, oh, this is awesome, because there's two of each, and I can bind these together to make another, like, oh, look at how pretty that one is. Another little glue book. Oh, I love the rainbow ones. And I thought it was really cool that there's two of each, so I can use one each for the book and then the other for something else. So I was thinking about binding it together like this, and you know, these are the collage cards from Dollar Tree. I don't know if I've shown all of these, but let's move this out of the way. I'll flip through this real quick. This is going to be a pretty fast video. So, and these images were from Dollar Tree too. They were like paper plate, get that tissue out of there, paper plate crafts for little kids. So I thought I still have a few pages to do, but yeah, so I was thinking about doing something similar. Look at, isn't that cute? These were from, like, it was a 12 by 12 pack from Dollar Tree of 2 pages, and that's from that. I really like this page, and I don't know why, because it is really not my style, but I'm finding that as I get older, my style is changing. I always loved, like, really old-fashioned primitive stuff, and now I'm getting more into, this is my favorite page, like mid-century modern. Maybe because I think I've said it before, but because I am mid-century modern. I was born in 1959, so I grew up with all that mid-century modern stuff, and for some reason I feel like it's making a comeback. That one's cute too. This is from the Dollar Tree paper. This was from the paper plate craft, and that might be all there is. I don't know. Well, did we get back to the beginning yet? Yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do with this page. I might actually cut this page out. I don't know. I thought some of these would make like cute little birthday postcards. And let's see. Oh, we've got this one. So I actually have, this is just stickers from the, I think it was the Amazon gift catalog. So I just put them on there. And I do think, let's see, is there any more? Oh, there is. Halloween stickers. I thought this kind of looked like candy maybe, or those, you know, those sprinkles you get for cakes and stuff. That's what it reminded me of. And then this one, which is also very cute. And that's it. So I still have a few pages left for this, but I thought that would be a great idea to use with these. So keep on the lookout for that video coming soon. And now for the rest of the things that I got. These are little candy cane stickers. Snowflake Snickers. Snowflake stickers. And they're 3D. And then I got a whole bunch of gift tags, which I will use in my journal. But also, you know, I can use them as gift tags, because I'm not going to need 45 of them in my journal. Probably just one of each. So those are cute. And then I got these gift tags, which I actually want to open and see. I guess I have to open it. Do I have to cut it open? I guess I have to cut it open. I think there's, it says 12. So there's obviously more than, oh, here it is. It's on the side. Each side has one. Okay. There's an opening on this side and this side. All right, let's see. So we got 3 of each, and they're just slightly 3D. They're not. Oh, how cute is that? Aw. This would be great if you're doing a December daily. You get a couple of, you'd need 2 packs, and then you could put the number inside. Oh, that's so cute. So they're all dogs, which is nice, but none of them are black like my dog. So anyway, that is it for this little video and this little haul. Have you actually ever gone to Dollar General or Family Dollar to get journaling supplies? And are you going to make a December daily type of journal? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. And we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.